Have you ever wondered how some TikTok creators are making thousands of dollars in just days while your content struggles to earn even a single penny? Well, the secret isn't what you think. Now, in this video, I'm gonna reveal how an ordinary creator made over $360K with a 16-second video using TikTok Shop Affiliate, how another made $178K with a simple 5-second video, and exactly what they're doing differently from everyone else. By the end of this 10 minutes, you'll have a complete blueprint on how to create your own TikTok Shop Affiliate income stream by picking the right profitable products to promote in minutes. Now, gurus are currently charging $197 for this exact information, but I'm sharing it completely free. I've personally used these same strategies to generate this much as a complete beginner with a few followers. If that sounds good, all I ask is that you hit the like button and help more people discover this information. Imagine discovering a hidden job where you get paid to share your honest opinions about products you already love. Sounds too good to be true, right? That's exactly what I thought when I first heard about it. I was skeptical when I saw ordinary people claiming to have made hundreds of dollars a day just by creating quick product review videos until I experienced this for myself. TikTok Shop Affiliate is essentially a commission-based program where you can create short videos reviewing products available on TikTok Shop and you earn a percentage of every sale made through your link. What makes this so powerful is that unlike traditional affiliate marketing, the buying process happens directly within TikTok. Viewers never leave the app, which dramatically increases conversion rates. The biggest mistake that causes 90% of TikTok Shop affiliates to fail is something you'd never expect. I've reviewed tons of successful TikTok Shop affiliate case studies making more than $5,000 monthly, and almost all of them show the same thing. While most new creators spend weeks guessing which products might sell well, top earners have a systematic approach that takes them minutes. This secret is using data analysis tools that successful affiliates don't talk about publicly. Tools like Shop Plus, Kalo Data, and Fastmost give you insider information on exactly which products are selling right now, which creators are making the most money, and even lets you analyze their highest converting videos. Now, what if you could predict which products would make you money before even creating a single video? When I first started out as a TikTok Shop affiliate, I wasted 3 weeks creating videos for products that nobody wanted. Then I discovered this 5-step system that transformed everything. Step 1 is you sign up for a TikTok Shop data analysis tool like Shop Plus. I've included free trial links in the description. Step 2 is you navigate to the products tab and filter by top sales to see what's selling best right now in your country. Step 3 is checking the product details page to analyze commission rates and sales performance over time. You want to identify if interest is growing, declining, or stable. Step 4 is clicking the relevant videos tab to see which creators are already promoting this product successfully and exactly how much revenue each creator generated. Step 5 is to study the top performing videos. With premium accounts, you can even download their scripts and video templates to use as inspiration for your own unique content. Having analyzed hundreds of videos from top TikTok Shop affiliates, I've noticed a pattern in the ones generating the most sales. They weren't just randomly reviewing products. They were following a specific psychological formula. First, they open with a curiosity gap, showing the product solving a problem in an unexpected way. Second, they immediately address the viewer's biggest objection about the product. Third, they demonstrate the product with clear before and after results. Fourth, they create urgency with a limited time offer or exclusive discount. And finally, they close with a clear call to action that emphasizes ease and urgency. Now, there's various other ways that you can go about structuring your TikTok Shop affiliate video, but in most cases that I've come across, this is one of the ways that tends to generate the most conversions. The moment I realized this system actually worked was both exciting and terrifying. After struggling for weeks with 0 sales, I decided to completely change my approach using the exact system I'm sharing with you today. I selected some simple products that the data showed were trending upwards. I studied the top performing videos, created my own 15 to 45-second video versions using the high converting formula, and nervously posted these videos. After seeing the results, I've never looked back. Now, you know exactly how these creators are making thousands with TikTok Shop Affiliate, but there's one critical mistake that could sabotage all of your efforts before you even begin. To help you avoid this mistake and get started correctly, I've created a complete step-by-step tutorial on setting up your TikTok Shop affiliate account properly. Click the video appearing on the screen right now to make sure you don't miss this crucial first step.